Deep breath in and adjust that upper back. Get rid of that tension. There you go. Beautiful. Transition segment right here, which is where almost every woman's tight because our hips throw forward and our chest pulls us forward. Breathe in, out, look up a little bit. Ooh, yeah, yours is extra tight. And adjust the sacrum, especially in that thigh joint. Get some movement back in there. Stop that pinching. That can go down your buttocks. That's better. Now you're moving. Make sure every joint is mobile and fluid equally on both sides after we're done. Perfect. Flip over. Drop your chin.